Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to verify your Roblox account on Discord Bloxlink. So if you also want to verify your Roblox account on Discord Bloxlink, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now type in blocks.link. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Bloxlink. At top right corner you'll be able to see the option for sign in with Discord. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Now here you'll be able to find the button for authorize. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be signed into Bloxlink with your Discord account. Here you'll be able to see your account name. All you have to do is click on it. Now here you'll be able to see two options, dashboard, logout. All you have to do is click on the first option, that is dashboard. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At left you'll be able to see several options over here. Make sure verifications is selected. Now here you'll be able to see the option for get started now by linking your Roblox account to Discord. Right next to it you'll be able to see the option for verify now. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to verify your account. First of all, you'll have to enter your account information. Here you'll be able to find the option for next. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to select a Roblox account to continue. Here you'll be able to see the option for continue. All you have to do is click on it. Scroll down. Read this information very carefully. Right over here you'll be able to see the option for confirm and give access. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected back to Bloxlink. Account information is completed. Account verification is also completed. Now you'll have to select the server. You can see the servers over here. You can also refresh the servers if you want. Now simply click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here the verification has been completed. Now that you're verified, you can now access thousands of Roblox communities on Discord. You'll also be able to utilize the large feature set for your own communities. So that is how you verify your Roblox account on Discord Bloxlink. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.